Hey guys, NIC here with another daily recap. So for today is kind of a break-even day. It's just a tiny $80 loss. I would even put it as a break-even. But to be real with myself, it's still a red day. Uh, at some point I was the $80 is before commission. At some point I was down $1,000, but it was pretty choppy, so up and down. And at some point, I believe on, I was considered having a green day, but that was before commission. So in a way, I guess I overstayed my welcome. I really wanted today to squeeze out to be a green day to start off the month, so I could have walked away with a green day, but I walked away with $80 loss. It's somewhat of a break even, so I'm okay with it. But I will always want to start the month green. Okay, so actually today I did a little more, like added all these words so I can share with you guys. Like I know there's only those 5, 10, 15, sometimes 20 viewers, and this is what I enjoy doing, making daily recap daily to share with you guys what I did, and also for me to look back in the future to see how was I trading back then. So first thing first, EVK. I played it during the pre-market. As you can see, somewhat of a downtrend as it is breaking this topping tail. I added here, sort of half here, and sort of half of it here. Then after that, I added here again, because I believe you have to. I'm waiting for a deep buy. However, this came up so fast, so in a way, I added here. Sold half of it here and sold half of the rest here, and maybe a lot of people will be saying it's more like a ABCD, but why would I sell it off here? So I was seeing 12.2k. I mean this amount at the ask of people wanting to sell, and it's not clearing it so well. So I quickly sold off here, and as you can see it dipped. Could have added here, but this is too much of a risk for me to play. I don't like my position to start that around this level, so I let it go without me. And this is what happened in the open. It just sold off poorly. As I can see, it's verging back up again. I added here for it to break the view up, which it did. Sold off half here to play it safe, because it is still the first day of the month and it's a Monday. It could be very choppy. So sold off half of it here, and I sold off the rest here. Unfortunately, it halted up. Yeah, this is pretty frustrating. As you can see, this is like 80 cent, 60, 70 cent move. Really, really painful. But oh well, no use talking about it since it has passed. So this is the thing. During the unhold, the level was around, this level is at 495, but the bid and sell was at 49. So pretty sure it's gonna drop. I typed this during this period of time. So at then it unhalted. As you can see, it sold off. So as I can see, after this sold off is coming up quite strongly. Added here, sold off here. Pretty nice move, and small pullback to go up again. So at this point I was thinking it crossed 550. It did manage to hit 560, so I'm quite bullish on it. Added here for the break. However, this pullback is too huge, I guess. Killed a lot of the momentum. So as it's coming down, I got out here, and really choppy, as you can see. Kind of a roller coaster. This was today's clear only leading gapper, I would say. Adding more here, sold off here, and basically got stop out here. So tiny loss here. This is the thing. At this point, I stopped watching it. It was around 44, okay, 45. Here I went to grab some snacks, have a drink, and I thought this is all the movement today. So somehow short squeeze up. Pretty choppy, as you can see. Come down again, went up again, come down again. So in a way it's trapping people both sides. trapping the bulls and the bears. So in a way, I'm thankful I'm not playing this. I mean, obviously I could be making 60-cent move here, but I could also be caught 60-cent here. So yeah, that's the only leading gap, clear leading gap for today. GRMB was the second one. Did not trade this. I don't like all this topping tail, so despite making a move, I did not buy in because the graph just doesn't look nice for me. And if you can look at the daily, it basically kissed the 200 MA and came back down. So yeah, probably gonna fit throughout the whole day. INFI was the silent one today. As you can see, slow grind throughout the whole day, small 5-minute wedges, but yeah, so I was on the other tickers, and this is quite a big float if I'm not wrong. As you can see, the difference isn't too huge, so I'm not in this. DLPN traded quite a lot today. Put on double check. Yeah, so DLPN, yeah, the pre-market added here for it to break the VWAP, which it failed. So unfortunately, this was their second try. Got out immediately, but it seems to hold this line, did not hold back in, and basically sold off in the open. So back then at this area, I was thinking this could be a nice curl, as you can see from the 5-minute. So added here, got stop out here, it was a fake out, and basically I did not touch it anymore, knowing this is how it is. BTBT, pretty nice move today. As you can see at here, I wrote down a note around 26 that this is a BTC ticker. It's worth watching it open. So it opened really strong, but I only got in here, sold off here, just a small 10-20 cent profit. Didn't buy in too huge. However, as you can see, the full pie is here. So nothing much on this. There isn't anything going crazy today except EVK. So ACY is a hidden gem, I would say. I was watching it around 1350 today. 1350. Yeah, I was watching around 1350. Then made a move to 1490. Came back down. Kinda miss it. Daily looks nice. However, all this topping tail is what stopping me from playing it, since this is relatively low float. I mean low volume. So spread wise, and it might not always go my favor. So I choose to not play this. However, this is a pretty nice move. So for you guys that were in the ACY, good job. XCUR, didn't like it as it was so near the 200 SMA. As you can see, basically not much. RMED had some halt, one halt today. Did not play it too. Super choppy. As you can see, this is what I always say. If it halts up and the price did come back down to the halt level, it's usually gonna tank. AUTL did not like this because of this double top and all these topping tails. As you can see, I wrote around here, it's gonna pop and fade the open, which this was around 25 because of this candle, I believe. That's what made me think this way. So yes, it popped. As you can see, this topping tail pop and fit throughout the whole day. Spot on for this. AGRI, basically this thing is just in, I just added in the watch list in case it makes some move. Discussing graph, and really just doesn't look nice. Sorry. VXRT, same thing. I also did right, it might flash in the open. Yeah, spot on. AHPI was really nice. After it halted up, I added here on this, in a way, tiny 10 second pullback. Got out here. So after that, this was around like half an hour ago. I wasn't trading anymore, but this is a really nice, almost $2 move. Unable to get it, but this just looks too disgusting. This seems like a pump and dump. So XBRO is a really nice reversal. In the open, they open really strong, but this basically kills it off. I think a lot of my friends stacked here. However, yeah, it's going now. But it's Monday and it's the first day of the month, so I wanted to start it off right. That's why I over traded and got myself a tiny loss, just 80 bucks. But it's still a red day, and I basically could have walked off when I was green. Unfortunately, that's it. That is how it is. As of now, it's so tempting to just hop in XBIO or AHPI to maybe just turn the $80 loss into, let's say, 300, 400 profit and walk off. But I could also be digging a hole deeper for me. So there's always tomorrow. It's just a small loss today. Hopefully you guys traded way better than me today. And yeah, so oh yeah, food is pretty nice, as you can see from daily. It seems to hold 33 really well, and 35 is also a nice level. So yeah, today a $2 move, pretty nice. I wouldn't be surprised if food reaches 42 today. I mean, sorry, this week. ARR, nothing much. It did touch this. Seems like halted. All these are my swings, so I'm not watching them too much. Didn't cross 3 yet. PCOR, pretty nice. AMPO, yeah, so basically nothing much. Today's clear gapper is EVK and it's super choppy. So not the best start to the month, but there's still, I don't know, 20, 21 trading days this month, so plenty of time to turn it around. It's just a small $80 loss, so yep, I should probably close all this now before I see anything and hop back in, especially AHPI and XBIO. So that's all for today's daily recap. And judging, I didn't upload for quite a while, and it's nice to see that there's still that 5 to 10 people always viewing all this. I really appreciate you guys, and I really enjoy making all this daily recap, so I will be continuing to doing this even if there's only 1, 2 viewers. I'll still be doing this every day. And yeah, that's all for today's daily recap. If you guys have any questions or basically anything, you can just drop in the comment, and do like and share, subscribe. It will really help the channel grow as well as the algorithm. So yeah, that's all for today's daily recap. Stay safe. Peace.